It's going, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Well, that seems very appropriate for one of our videos. Come on out.
So as you can see,
What's the setup for today? I gotta tell you, this is probably one of the strangest little setups for one of our videos.
Dad, what's wrong with playing Nerf dart PVC pipe with your paw?
So he made the interesting discovery the other day.
PVC pipe?
What kind of pipe we got here? Let's see. Give it to me.
No, I want to.
Put it in my hand.
I want to do it.
I'm not gonna do it. Put it in my hand. Jeez. So what we have here, we've got 3/4 inch PVC pipe
Yeah.
from Home Depot. And over there we've got,
This is one Nerf branded Mega Dart.
come out of the shade, you can see you. One Nerf Mega Dart. Standard, pretty typical. And over here we've got
The Nerf Mega
Mega-
Centurion.
Mega Centurion Blaster.
Wow.
Basically it's a sniper rifle of
It's loaded.
Nerf.
It does that.
Pretty slick. I remember seeing this thinking, that's the coolest Nerf gun I've ever seen in my life. Which it is. So, how much did this cost?
$60 to $80. I don't totally remember. I'll have to look it up.
60
Oh,
to
but then
80.
that's the limited Toys R Us edition Van Dyke Blue,
And you,
whatever it's called. It's like electric blue or something. Electric blue glue.
and you know that if it's limited edition Toys R Us, you're not going to get it.
Nope. Also, Toys R Us is out of business.
Just bankruptcy.
Oh yeah, they're back.
So here's the challenge. 3/4 inch PVC pipe for how much you could spend for this? Spend.
I got about over 6 feet of this for maybe $3.
$3 and $60 to $80 Nerf Sniper Blaster gun.
But it comes with limited edition blue bullets.
Blue bullets. That's right. We have 2 different bullets, so we know just how far each one went. We're going to use the red shooter in the pipe and the blue shooter in the sniper.
Let's get to it.
And this is the Nerf
Centurion
Sniper Blaster Rifle.
Supreme.
Supreme.
Limited edition in electric blue from Toys R Us.
That's great.
Fair. Ready?
Go! I lost track of it.
Oh crap. I didn't lose track of it.
Do it one more time. Maybe you got a bad, just in case you got a bad shot.
It means the iron sights.
I'm watching it this time. Wow, that's as far as that goes. Okay, get your head out of the way. You see that bush? So that bush is about where that dart landed the first time, then it went shorter the second time. Okay, next up is the PVC pipe.
Alright, now it is Dada's turn.
So it's not special because it's me. He can shoot it just as far with this. Ready?
Yep.
Can you see?
Yes, can. Oh my god.
Yeah, that went to the driveway.
Oh
Got
my
another dart?
My goodness.
So that's about 30 feet difference with just a $6 or $3 pipe.
I'm saddened.
What do you expect?
Thanks a lot, Nerf.
All right, let's walk it off.
Oh yeah, this is where we were throwing PVC pipes.
He was trying to see if he could throw the pipe as far as he could shoot it with the big expensive gun. He cannot.
Sadly, I cannot. I missed it by like 20 feet.
All right, so that's the second dart.
Yes.
Not so great. We should actually do some measurements, see how far that is. I think that's probably, I'd estimate about 50 feet. So it's no slouch. This gun can shoot a long way.
No.
The second dart, oh, I thought that went a lot farther.
Nope, it didn't make it to the bush even.
That's just about an extra 6 feet. There's the bush I was talking about.
Now let's.
So that's about, from that tree, we shot it from the pine tree to right here. So that's about 60 feet maybe. So the first dart, or the PVC pipe, it went a little sideways. I didn't actually track where it went.
In the driveway, we gotta keep going.
It's in the driveway?
Yes.
That's the second one. The first one went. Where did the first one go? Oh! You sure that's the first one?
It's red.
You're right, it is red, isn't it? Okay, so watch out. Let me get in the shade here. So that dart in the driveway shot from way over there on that pine tree, and there's a little bush that the first one is 6 feet short of. My goodness, that is a long way.
That's not even the furthest.
Yeah, and then I shot this one also to the driveway. That's at least 100 feet. Probably farther than that.
Aren't commercial goods useless when you can make it yourself?
So, successful experiment.
Yep. Nerf's useless.
If you want the longest firing shot Nerf gun there is, just go buy some 3/4 inch PVC pipe, and
But that's for mega darts now.
that's for mega darts. Yes.
As far as the other,
The baby
as
darts.
far as the elite darts go, I'm not totally sure.
You'd probably want just a 1/4 inch for that, I would imagine.
1/4 inch to 1/2 inch.
All right, mission success. Enjoy your new knowledge and happiness. Free of the machine.
The beast.
Bye bye. I'm waiting for you to hit yourself with that gun again.